Today I'm going to change all 4 brake for Lexus RX330. Yes, both brake pad. I recommend to buy the brake pad. This one, wherever platinum professional front and rear. This one is lifetime warranty, so you can use this one until they wear down. You can bring that back and they give you the new one. Okay, what tool you need? Jacks, maybe 3 ton, and the block. So put on the wheel so the car not moving. That's all you need. And 1.1.5 torque range and 21, and a special bolt, and I think you need about the 13 socket only, but I take whole thing, and this screwdriver and 1.5 range glove, and the thing I bought, the brake pad. That's it. That's all you need. Okay, let's go do it. I'm ready. Okay, let's go do it right now. First, you need to take 2 rubber here. Put the back on the seat so when you lift the car up, you jack the car up to make sure this one right here. 1. Okay. Another side. 2. Safety. When you put the car up. Okay. Now I'm going ahead and put the jack to underneath of this. Okay, I'm doing front first. So I'm going to put the jack on and I do the front brake first. The jack too high, so I'm going to jack a little bit so it's easy to pull out. I'm going to put that, take out the wheel, both wheel, use this one, or take it out the wheel like this. Come out, easy. See, I do the rest of this one. See, this one. Okay, so I do the rest of all of them like that. Then I will show you how to change. So I got this one, special one right here. So I'm going to stick in here. Okay, then I do this. I turn away. First, I had to open this bolt right here, one here and one here, but they had to use 14. So I don't open on the top. I just loose a little bit, but I open the bottom. Then I will show you. Don't open all of them. I will show you. I open this one a little bit, bottom. That's it. The bottom I take it up. Okay, we'll see it later. Before I open the bolt, I use my screwdriver right here, and I stick in here, and you see. Put like this, shut fresh, so the brake will loose. You will see it, the brake will loose a little bit, so this one go bigger like that. So easy, you don't need to like the first. Put in here another side. Okay, go harder as long as you can. Now they loose already, so you can see the loose. Okay, now I open screwdriver back only right here. There are 2 bolts. One, I loose this one a little bit. Second one, I open this one only. Okay, open this one only. It's still in here. So when I open this, see, put right here. Then what, you know what? Then lift this. You know what? Lift this one up. There we go. See? When you lift this one up, whole pad right here, you come out. See? Okay? You don't need to open all. You can hold this one right here. Still hold this. You lift this one up. Alright, okay, let me put the new pad in and see what happened. Okay, let's put the new pad. This is the old pad. Lift it up, set like this. Okay, the pad, new pad, like this, and put in here. Okay, one right here, one right here, one right here, and we got 2 doors. See, that's it. 2. Then you put this one down. Same thing. See, that's it. Then you put the bolt in here. That's one bolt. That's it. You tighten it and you're done. Alright? That's it. What you've done. You've done one. Okay. Go ahead, this one first. First one, the second one, that one, put the back bolt, that's the front, okay, 1. And this one is lock. Okay, you good? Tight. Last one. Real tight. Okay. But the first one. Yeah. See? 1, 2. What is that?
There.
4. And the spatula too here. Okay. Now we put this one up out of the way. There we go. Sit. Okay, first. Okay, we loose 2 bolts right here. Okay. 1 here, 1 here. But you loose only. Loose only. Okay. Don't open all. Like that only. And this one. This one the same. We load this one later. Okay. And now you this like this. Put inside here. Yeah. Put inside here. Slowly push it. See? Push it. This trick. A lot of people they don't know about this. This trick. After you're done, you open this bolt. By hand, 1 bolt only. Okay? 1 only. See, only 1. Leave in here and lift this one up. Easy. And take the brake out. See? Take the brake out. Like that. Take the brake out. That's it. 2. So you got to put the new one back in. That's it. in. In here. I put this side first. Put a little bit grease on here. Only this. Okay. Lift this one up. Put in here. Like this. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's the new one. Now next one, put in here the same thing. Next one. In here the same thing. So here, on here. That's it. Lift this one up. Do the same thing. Right here and right here. That's it. Two, new one. And put this one back and tie the screw in. Then you're done. Put this one back. That's it, and you're done. Now we tie this. Okay. Now we got to move the back. We got to lift up. Hold on, Gary. Hold on. We got to lift up on the back. And we're doing the back, the real one.